I'm going to show you how to use the embroidery machine. You are going to be embroidering on your pocket piece. Okay? Notice on the wrong side of your fabric you should have written the word pocket, and it should have the shiny coated side is going to be on the wrong side. Okay? The first side that we're going to be working with is with the right side. Now there is directions that's over by your embroidery machines that walk you through step by step for what to do. Okay? I'm going to be starting all the way over on number 1. Okay? This is, I'm going to be marking the middle of the right side of the fabric by drawing a cross in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my fabric in half. I can make a little crease mark here, and then I'm going to use my chalk to mark where that halfway point is. So when I open it up, I can see a line. Then I'm going to fold it in half the other way. Fold it in half. I'm going to finger press it or make it creased. And then I'm going to draw my other line there. So I end up on the right side of my fabric having a marking. Then I'm going to be putting my pocket piece into the frame. The frame is going to have 2 markings with little arrows that should be colored in black. These 2 have to match up together. Okay. The top piece, there's 2 pieces to it. The top piece doesn't have any metal on it, the bottom piece does. So you're going to have the bottom piece down first. Then you're going to take the top part, or your fabric part, and set it in there so you can see the right side of your fabric. And then you're going to match up where the arrows are together on the frames so that you can push the frames back together. Now this part can be really tricky because you want to make sure that it is flat in there and that it's straight. Okay. So I'm pushing the frame around the fabric so that it's going to be straight in there and that it's going to be flat. Okay, I just did this on my first try, but it might take you more than 1 try to make it straight and make it flat. If it looks like it's crooked in there, you want to redo it. Okay. Once you have it so it looks good, there's a screw on the top. You're going to turn towards you so it's as tight as it can be. Okay. You want to make sure that your fabric feels like it's stretched tight. So all I'm doing is kind of pulling it on each of the edges to make sure that it's really tight in there and that the screw is as tight as it can be. Okay. If you flick on it like from the back, it should feel tight like a drum. Okay.